In each of these videos, to get it, you must feel it. To feel it, do it, or imagine that you're doing it with me. In this lesson, we're going to ignite the volcano, awaken the yang power in the body. But it's not only power, it's fire of life. It's inspiration of life. It's joy of being alive. Ignite the volcano. So, prepare yourself. Go back to lesson number 2, the warm-up. For preparation, 10-minute warm-up, and then come back to this. Or let's proceed straight into it. Always best to do a warm-up. Why? Get present in the body. Feel. Because to achieve these experiences in the Tai Chi, you've got to be present. You've got to feel your body. So having a shake-up first, get rid of the tensions in your body, allows you to come in and feel. So at least have a shake-up and wake up first. If you don't do the 10-minute warm-up, wake up, have a shake anyway. And let's get started. So we're going to wake up the dragon, ignite the volcano, get alive. So, exercises like this. Right hand in front and scooping. You know what we're doing when we're scooping? We're going down to the bottom of the ocean. And as the hand rises, it's like a whale rising and flicking its tail as it crests the water like this. If you've seen that, it's magnificent and powerful. You've seen pictures of it. So, the image is that we go down, down, down to the depths of the ocean and lift from there. Or we go to the infinite down below, like this, and scooping. And here, in the pelvic organs there, we bring our attention to the power in there, and we lift. And it lifts to the heart. And then goes down. Left hand lifts from the pelvis to the heart. The hand that's lifting is closer to the body. The other hand goes down outside. And they roll over. So, lifting and imagining power or fire rising from the pelvic organs, from the pelvis. This is your ground. This is the yin energy. But we awaken the yin energy and lift it to the heart. Remember this? Yin, ground, stillness. Yang, fire, and the fire rises. The fire rises like this. The yin transforms into yang. The stillness transforms into dynamic motion, into fire and joy of life. Yin and yang. This was the first lesson, second lesson. So now, lifting. And lifting. Your attention is on the rising yang from the pelvis, rising to the heart. From the pelvis, rising to the heart. You're imagining that you're lifting fire or joy of life, inspiration, power. It's powerful. Into the heart. Into the heart. It lifts. The fire lifts and fires up in the belly. And from there rises to the heart. Again and again. We do this slowly and feeling it. The hand that comes down scoops and lifts. The hand that comes down scoops to the bottom of the ocean, to the bottom of the infinite. And from there rises yang, igniting the volcano. Fire, power. Waking up the dragon. Both hands down and scooping. Lifting to the heart, and the hands roll over. Roll over. there's a transformation to the yang, but we don't go into expression yet. We're gathering the fire and sinking. And again, we gather the fire and sinking. And now, gather the fire. Fire rises from the pelvic organs into the heart, transforms, and now, yang. This is our expression in the world. Gather, scoop from the infinite depths below. Pelvic organs wake up. Fire. Like this, they wake up. When your hands do this, there's the awakening of the yin into the yang in the pelvic organs. Yang rises, and the heart transforms and expresses. Wake up in the pelvis. Fire. Feel your pelvis. Feel your pelvic organs. And filling the heart, transformation in the heart as the hands roll over. There's the transformation in the heart. And now the opening. The arms open a little like this. And this is your joy. Again, scooping. The palms turn up. Yang awakens in the pelvis, in the pelvic organs. Fire rises. We've woken the dragon, and now fire. Again, in-breath rising, out-breath sinking, down, scooping. Palms turn up. Fire awakens in the pelvis, rises, fills the heart. There's transformation in the heart and fire of life in expression. Again, in-breath, out-breath sink, scoop, palms turn up, fire. Fire lifts, fills the belly becomes full of fire, rises into the heart, and here it transforms. It transforms. What does it transform into? You've got fire and power. And in the heart, what happens? There's a transformation. Joy. Joy. Joy of life. Inspiration. And in expression, kind action. In-breath. Sink down, wake the dragon, palms turn up, awakens the dragon, rises up, transforms in the heart, and action in the world. Once more, in-breath, down, scooping, awakening, the dragon awakens. The volcano ignites, fire rises, and you stand. You stand awake, powerful, alive, fire of life. But you see, because you've allowed a transformation in the heart, it's not hard. It's not damaging. If it's hard, you'll damage yourself, you'll damage anything. Let's do it one more with the tension on that. In-breath, out-breath down, and from the infinite depths below, scooping. Palms turn up, the dragon awakens, the volcano ignites, rising, fire transforms in the heart with the turning of the hands, and you stand on this earth, fire, powerful, alive, inspiration, inspired, joyous. Now stand, hands together in front, on the lower dantian, or like this, hands together in the front, powerful. Allow yourself to be powerful, awake. joyous. Have a great day.